How to remove continue watching on HBO Max. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll showing you this quick and easy step. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have your application updated to the latest version in order to make sure that you have this feature that we are going to be talking about. Now from here, you can just go ahead and navigate through the application, scroll down, and you will go ahead and see your continue watching list. From there, you can just go ahead and click the three dots on a specific series or movie, and a pop-up menu will show up where you have to go ahead and choose the remove button. Right after choosing the remove button, it will go ahead and remove the series or movie that you have picked on your continue watching list. And so guys, that's all you have to do to go ahead and remove list on the continue watching. If this video has been helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.